I'm not saying that your strategy is shit. I'm just saying mine is better. Mine's more simple. Look at today. Today is a prime example of how my system simplifies the market. All right. Look at from last night to this morning. This is garbage. This is absolutely terrible price action. This is just consolidating. Where do you take a buy or a sell in that type of market? I don't know. Neither do you. Stop pretending. Where my strategy comes in, it simplifies and shows direction. All right. This is the 15-minute time frame. This shaded where it goes from blue to the black, that is New York Open. This is the very first candle of New York Open, and I only trade on the 15-minute time frame. What do? I do one thing. I wait for the first 15M fair value gap. That is the king gap. You do not need anything else. Once we've established that we have the king gap, this 15-minute fair value gap right there. So we had to wait 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes. We had to wait 1 hour of consolidating, and then we decided to break out. Now, there was no sign of going up or down until that king gap showed itself. Once that king gap presented itself, we knew up was the direction. All right. So after the king gap is presented, what do we do next? We just wait for it to get touched. That's all we have to do. We wait for it to get touched. As it does right here, let me just put a line so you can see it. Boom. That yellow line is going to tell you, look it, we came in and we touched it. And what do we have to the left of this fair value gap? We actually have a little bit of old resistance. This candle came up, got rejected, slammed back down. So this is an area of old resistance. Then once we break through it, now it's holding up as support. So with an area of old resistance, new support with a king gap, that is an A+ setup. You could have put a limit buy order right there with zero drawdown. And as in real time, we are talking about this right now, we are literally up 111 points. The all-time high, you could have potentially got over 130 points. Is that realistic? Absolutely not. Realistically, all I want us to do is come down, get that buy, and retest this candle here. The candle that touches the gap, realistically, if we can just retest the top of that candle, that is a massive, massive trade. What would that have been from the very tippity bottom to the top of that candle? That is almost 70 points. If you could do that even twice a week with no drawdown, think of the capabilities. Think of the possibilities. You would be a monster trader, an absolute monster trader. This proven king gap system has over an 80% win rate. Over 80% of the time, that first fair value gap holds, whether you go up or down. In this case today, we're going up. So we come up, we retest that fair value gap, the king gap, and then we shoot. Now, I mean, it did consolidate here, but we held. As soon as we hit that support, old resistance, new support, we started taking off. It would have been hard to hold through this, but listen, little base hits is what adds up in this market. It is super crucial to get a system. Even if you're not trading this system, get a system and make it your own and do it every single day. This is all I do every single day, and it's keeping me consistent in these crap markets. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. That's basically the king gap in a nutshell. Take care. Much love.